Move over, KFC. It's KFC tenders. And the same creamy mac and cheese, crispy fries, buttery biscuits, and
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. At 8:32 a.m. at New York, a EF5 tornado was formed. We advised everyone to stay home and make sure to get all food and water, and a broadcasting device for more updates. It was formed near a mall. 13 people already sucked out by a EF5 tornado. That is all our information. Please stand by for more information or updates. This is a new information. The EF5 tornado destroyed houses. 39 people started to get sucked by the tornado like a black hole. We advised you to seek shelter immediately. Stay safe. Scientists said that the EF5 tornado will be gone after 5 hours. That is all our information. Please stand by for more information or updates.
This is the last update. The EF5 tornado is gone. You can come out now. But 501 people has sucked out of the EF5 tornado. We can now stop broadcasting.